Hello everyone. How's everybody doing on this kind of stormy-ish day? At least here in southwestern Ontario it's stormy. How's everybody doing? I'm going to, actually I'm not going to take anybody. If you see this little live button right here, please say hi, let me know that you can hear me. Let me know that I can see the comments, because there's nothing worse than being in the middle of it live and not seeing anybody's comments. If you don't see this little live button here, let me know what time that you stop by and maybe put a hashtag replay for me. I'd appreciate that. So I wanted to share, life has been really busy, number one. Hi everybody. And life has been very busy, so I haven't had a lot of opportunities to do lives like I would like to. I've been busy with classes, more than I thought I was going to this year. I've been busy with readings. I've been busy with creating products and importing products. It's been an incredible year since Mat Matters last year, since I ran Mat Matters. But we just finished running it again, and now I'm going to very quickly, I think there's 3 weeks until it starts. Hi Jillian, thank you for saying hi. Now I know it works. Hi Pam. Hi Amy. Hi everybody. Thank you. I'm like winded. Okay, so I'm going to be running this higher self, how to become your higher self on earth. It's kind of really a fun class. That was the idea behind it. I am also offering, for anyone who's also interested in mystical numerology, level 1, Mat Matters, which is all coming up again, right? August, September, October, I'm running these 3 classes, plus this higher self class right now. I'm offering a mentorship program, which will be a separate group that I will answer questions in, and we'll be together for over 3 months. So I'm really excited about that. If you're interested in the mentorship, let me know. If you're interested in just this higher self class, I'm super excited to show you this kit. It's been in the works for over a year. It's been over a year. I've been researching products and, you know, just gathering things. And then I was going to run it in February and it just didn't feel right, but it feels right now. So this class, I don't even have the website. I'm not even going to finish it. Like I said, there's just a few weeks. So if anybody has questions, I will send you to the website, but it's not functioning. It's almost done, but it's not functioning. If you're really interested, I'll send you. But this is what it's kind of built around, okay? The price of class is basically the price of this kit that I put together, okay? And I'm just gonna show up and walk you guys through how I use some of these tools and why they were so instrumental in, I guess, this ascension process that I've been going through for myself. So again, Higher Self Kit, sponsored by Goddess Goods, which is my partnership, my business with Pamela Knight. And anyways, I'm gonna get into this kit because it's really awesome and I have some extra surprises. I already have, okay, I'm gonna, one more moment, please. I already have one person that signed up for the mentorship program, okay, which is, like I said, all 3 classes. It's going to be a separate group. And she was one of the first 20. So she actually, there's only 19 left, guys. See this candle from Sarah? Okay, Sarah, Candle Magic. Amazing, okay? She creates these with intention. She creates these with love. She creates these in sacred space, okay? That's so important to me. It's not like getting something from Shoppers or Walmart, right? What you're going to get with this is powerful medicine, okay? So this one is made with birch. She actually worked with me last year when I first started these kits. Sarah actually was working with me last year to develop a candle for this class. So now I have purchased 20 of these Higher Love candles. They're amazing. I think they even have cannabis in them. Cannabis, birch. I don't have the sheet with me. It's amazing. Smells like birch, which is a little bit like spearmint. It's really beautiful. These are going to be used within the class for those of you that sign up within the first 20 that get them. Okay, so one person, so there's 19 left, and it's first come, first serve. That's it. Okay, so Higher Self Kit. I'm so excited. Aren't they amazing, Pamela? Aren't they amazing? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so that's the first 20 people who sign up. There's only 19 spots left for those candles, okay? Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the sage, and it's got a cool little box, eh? Is the sage. This is a sacred white sage. I sell it, right? I have some on site here and I sell it in stock. It's amazing, okay? I wish you guys could all smell it. I use it all the time. Pam, you know, not all sage is created equally. Some is grown with love and intention, and you can, I'm sorry, you can tell the difference. My hands are a little shaky. Good morning, Lena. Okay, so this is a sage. I'm just gonna sit here and sniff it for you guys. Hopefully you guys can get a whiff. This is the sage that comes in the kit. It's a good size. It's a good size. Look at that. There's lots in there. Okay, I wanted to make sure everybody is going to get a little wand though. Okay, so you can sage yourself if you don't have a feather and a shell. It is the best ever, I know. I had to look everywhere to get it. Okay, let's keep going. So that's it, that's sage. And I'm already wearing mine. I've been wearing mine for a long time. I'm gonna drop this water. I first used this ring. It's a copper ring. When I learned mystical numerology, I went through, and it was just a spontaneous thing where I was at a metaphysical store and I bought, not this ring, it was a different one. And I went outside and it was like, I just had something and I committed and married my soul that day. So I would like to bring you guys through that and also provide you with a copper ring, just like the one I'm wearing. Pamela has one too, okay? And to make this commitment to yourself, this is about becoming your higher self on earth. So this is about marrying your soul, okay? So I have this in the kit. It's a copper ring, and I can post and tell you all the amazing benefits of copper. I even thought about actually putting a copper cup because it's so important to get copper into our bodies. But anyways, that's a whole other, that's for the class, okay? So there's a copper ring included. And we will have some vows. We're gonna go into some ceremony, okay? And this is all about the alchemical marriage, and we're gonna be learning about that in the class as well. Married to my soul, amazing. Life changes, doesn't it, Pam? Life just like explodes a little. Okay, so let's keep going here. And I got these amazing Bindis. Do you see these? This is one of 4 variations. These ones are the gold ones. They're so pretty and shiny. Gonna say I had one on in the tub last night. I don't know where it went. They're so pretty and shiny. They're from India. Okay, I don't use them traditionally. A lot of these things I don't use traditionally. I use them as my heart has guided me, and it has been transformative. Right? There's blueprints so that we learn and get comfortable with different items, but really we're here to kind of create our own story with them, right? So I've created quite a fun one, I feel like, and I would like to share it with all of you. So this is one. These Bindis I have. I've been using since 2011, 11. Paul and I went to Sedona and I was introduced to them, and like my whole body, all my chakras, it felt like exploded when I put this thing on my head, when I researched it more, and kind of set intentions as I wore them in the future. Really transformative things happen. So I'd like to share that with you and give you guys that experience. Hi, Marie. Hi, everybody. Hi, Benji. I see you here too. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, so the next thing, there's 3 stones, and these 3 stones transformed so much for me, okay? I had no idea the power of number 1, essential oils, and number 2, crystals. I had no idea the power of them when I first started using them, which most of us don't. We're just drawn to them. But, you know, and I happen to have these 3 stones in my collection, and I happened to come across an article about past life regression and how to kind of instigate this for yourself, okay? And it's using these 3 stones. So if you have them at home, go ahead and use them right now. I'm gonna explain more about the stones in the class, obviously, what they're good for and why when you put them together, this happens, okay? This metaphysical thing happens. So I'm gonna tell you the stones right now, and they're all in your kit, okay? This is Tektite. Looks like coal, but it's not. It's a very powerful stone. Tektite, it's alien stone. It's not from Earth. And same with Moldavite. These are variations. This one's green. Can't even see it very well. Okay, this one's green. It's Moldavite. It's a very expensive stone, to be honest with you. And it's anyways, I'll get into more about the stones. Like I said, I don't want to go into lessons and stuff here. But this is a variation of this. This one is heated up, I believe, and this one is not heated up. Moldavite, Tektite, and fulgurite, and this one's a sandstone, okay? I don't want to take it out of its package. I want to leave them packaged up, but fulgurite, okay? And this one is a sandstone, okay? These are not from Earth, all right? So I'm going to show you how to use these in order to kind of instigate your own past life regression, okay? It's pretty cool, and it didn't happen right away for me, but it did open the floodgates so that I could move into this awareness, okay? There's another class. When and where do I sign up? I love you, Lena. There's another class. There's a couple more classes. August 8th, How to Be Your Higher Self on Earth. That's this Higher Self Kit, what it's for. August 8th, that starts. It's just a few classes long. And then Mystical Numerology starts, level 1 on September 11th. And then Matter starts again on October the 1st. And if anybody, and it ends on 11/11. So if anybody's interested in these 3 classes, there's a mentorship program with an extra group that I'll be spending extra time with everybody every day. If you're interested in that mentorship, please let me know and you will get the kit plus all 3 classes. And if you do it within the first 20, you will get this candle as well. Also, one more thing in the kit. How could I forget? How could I forget? This is what this is what the kit and the class was honestly built around, okay? So I'm giving it for free in the kit. Okay, because I think everybody should have their endocannabinoid system activated. And the first time I took CBD oil, I'm gonna tell you, this CBD oil, all right? I'm gonna explain, I had another CBD oil that I was introduced to, and it was great. It did stuff for me, okay? It helped me cosmically. But this one, let me tell you, I felt my whole body relax. I felt my whole system activate. How do I know it activated? Because when I first put 8 little drops under my tongue, which was way too much. You need like 2 or 3 drops. I put 8 drops under my tongue. I literally felt this whoosh, and I was like, oh my God, is there THC in this? And I started looking, and then I felt literally every hair on my body, it felt like stood up on end, okay? I feel like my out of my electromagnetic system, like my electromagnetic, the electro just lit up, okay? It was like fired up, just from putting this little tincture under my tongue. Never felt it that way again. It lasted about 15-20 minutes, and then everything relaxed, and I feel like that was my activation, okay? That was my CBD activation that I got, and now I feel it every once in a while because I feel great in life, and I stopped taking it, and then all of a sudden it's like, well, why is life feeling this way, right? This is literally life lube. It helps us move through life flawlessly, okay? You can deal, I feel like I can deal with anything that comes up if I have CBD in my system. Because of prohibition, because of so many things, CBD has been taken out of our food source, out of our animal. Even if you eat animals, they don't even have it anymore. This is why I feel we're so sick. I feel like we have so much anxiety, so much stress in this world, and this is life changing. So I put it in the kit, giving it away for free for everyone who signs up for this class, okay? Full size, $100 value, okay? Okay, one more thing. I'm so excited to share this all with you. The oil is the only one I use. Awesome, Marie. I'm so glad to hear that. And Marie and I, we've been putting off. She's been in transition. We've all been in kind of transition here. But Marie actually is going to do a live with me soon because she used CBD oil and it greatly helped her symptoms of Lyme disease. Okay, Marie, she can vouch for that. But we're gonna do a live about that soon. I don't know, when she gets settled, maybe. When she gets settled. Okay, but this is free in the kit. So the one more thing I want to talk about is that everyone who signs up for the mentorship program is going to get, okay, I'm adding this in extra, the mentorship program, okay, is going to get a 2 mil, it's 2 mils of blue spruce, okay, that is something extra I'm going to put in because blue spruce, along with these crystals, okay, was instrumental in me understanding, you know, patterns that I came into this life with, right? That kept playing out repetitively. If you don't understand why, you can't often move past things. And this essential oil, blue spruce, which I posted about for over a year, this oil was instrumental in helping me tune in just to a higher realm, and it actually helps you connect with the angelic realm, okay? Blue spruce. It's amazing for so many things. Respiratory, every kind of respiratory ailment. It helps with hormone balance. It helps with everything, okay? Helps with the throat chakra. It's, how do you say that? Anyways, it's a throat activator in my opinion. It's incredible. It's one of my favorites, okay? So everyone who signs up for the mentorship program is going to get one of these for free, okay? So guys, that's what I wanted to share with you. The class, How to Be Your Higher Self on Earth, is $222. Yeah, it's $222. If you're not in Chatham, or if you're not local to Chatham and you're not able to pick it up, message me because we'll work on something for shipping, okay? So So if you're interested, please just drop something below. I don't have a website ready for this one. I don't think I'm going to. I have way too much going on, but I'm happy to share with you about everything that's going to happen in it. There's lots of surprises still to come, okay? Lots of surprises. So anyways, guys, this is the kit. I'm really excited to share all these tools with you, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.